A spark within, a pulse of red. The words unspoken fill my head. The chest grows tight, the hands grow still. The heart remembers how to feel. I used to fear this burning flame, to hold it back, to hide the blame. But anger speaks a simple truth. It burns too clear, it burns for proof.
It says I'm here, I will be seen, I will not vanish all unseen. It's life itself, demanding room. It's love disguised as thunder's bloom.
When I don't fight, the fire breathes wide. The pain turns warmth, the heat turns tide. The voice of rage becomes release. The storm transforms to tender peace. I watch it flare, I let it pass, like sun on dew, like wind through grass. No harm remains, no ash, no scar, just clarity of what things are. This fire was never born to